That's only 3 weeks in. Alright, let's turn to our other favorite song, number 18. And I think this is on any instrument probably the first song you ever learned. Ready? I don't need to introduce it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and
slight programming change here. 1 second.
Okay. We'll do Hot Cross Buns one more time since they played it so well. 2 times, remember? 2 times, Jackson, right here. 1, get the feet tapping. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. Over the course of camp, the students have had some opportunity to explore piano. We have a couple volunteers that are going to be playing for you as the showcase goes on. And first, we're going to ask Erin to come up, and she's going to perform Bach's Minuet in G.
These fourth graders have learned so much and done a great job these last 3 weeks. The next piece we're going to play for you features both the fourth and the fifth grade. Okay, so after 3 weeks, your fourth graders can already play with older kids, which is pretty impressive. Okay, so fifth grade, come on in, please.
My rest on the end.
And the piece that they're going to be performing is called Playing Around. Playing 3 different rhythms like that is really challenging for kids this age. So we're very proud that they were able to do that in just these few weeks. Okay, while the fourth graders are leaving, the group that's remaining it was our fifth grade ensemble. So these guys have a little bit more experience than the first group. And the first song that these guys are going to play is called German Waltz. Okay, ready guys? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. And the second piece that they have for you is Beethoven's famous Ode to Joy. Ready? 1, 2, beginning, here you go, and. Okay, fifth grade, you can go back to where you were seated. And next up on the piano, to represent the fourth grade, we have Miss Olivia coming to play the minuet for you. The main reason that we have them do some piano during our time together, okay, it helps them work on their note reading, it helps them work on their rhythm, okay, which is all stuff that will transfer to their band instruments too. So it's just a way to reinforce the musical concepts. Coming next is Mr. Alex playing the guitar of Seville on piano for us. Next up, from our middle school group, we're going to pull up our middle school brass section. Okay, so middle school brass, come on in. Go ahead. Okay, before this group plays, I would be totally remiss if I didn't thank the wonderful counselors that we've had working this week. Back here, Mr. Chris Hernandez. And over on this side, Miss Sydney Woodward. Okay, they've both been a tremendous help. Mr. Sullivan and myself have been sharing a wealth of their musical knowledge with the children also. And both of our counselors were very instrumental in helping this group come together. The piece we have for you today is the Imperial March from Star Wars. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, you get it? Here you go. And. Yes, take the books with you. All right. Aren't the kids doing a great job so far? Okay, next on the piano, I'm going to bring up Miss Riley Gaines to play Get Away. It sounds like she bought a fan club over here. Wow, that's impressive. You wish I had that many fans. All right, you ready? Yep.
Now, you came out to a showcase this morning, and I bet no one ever thought by sitting here this morning you'd be part of history. One thing we kind of added this year is a little more in-depth look at composing pieces and that technical side of music. Jasmina has composed her own song, and she would like to play it for you. It's called The Open Meadow. This is the world premiere. Yes, here we are. Find our seats. Groups, you can go to your normal band spots, saxes. Two altos, and now, separate from our middle school and high school band, which you'll see momentarily, we broke the kids down into ensembles, kind of give them a little harder of work to do, because it's not easy when you're not surrounded by like 40 other people. You're a lot more responsible for playing your parts and your rhythm and all of that type of stuff. If we have any Disney fans in the room, which I'm sure there are, we're going to play the theme from Beauty and the Beast.
Anybody needs technical help from me?
All right, here we go.
From what I hear, he works cheap too.
One, two, three, and. piano extension for you. Next, we're going to have Rayon come up to the piano and play Haunted House. Brass will be back momentarily.
You ready? And last up is Moses playing a piece from the Pirates of the Caribbean called He's a Pirate.
Middle school brass, come join us. Keep it out first. Brass right there, last, very last brass. Stand over, sure.
Okay, this last group that we have for you today is the middle school and high school band. Okay. These guys have had the opportunity to explore some more challenging music over the last couple of weeks because they have more experience than our morning people. Okay.
Our first piece in light of just a couple of weeks ago, as a nation we were celebrating America 250. This piece is entitled Patriotic Snippets. See, you may hear several familiar Americana little melodies that you will recognize. And we'll control what we talk about. Look up. So, start. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and
tag teaming, you know, there's never enough time here. All right. The next piece that we have for you, we actually saw come to life, I believe it was on Tuesday, or was it
Tuesday?
Yes, Tuesday. Yeah, on Tuesday when we had all that lovely weather, you know, all that lovely flooding. You know, our other band looked like a small ocean with the water that was coming through, and it was really quite messy. Okay, the next piece we have for you was called The Tempest, which is supposed to summon the calling of a storm. Well, Tuesday, while we were rehearsing, okay, when practice started, it was nice and sunny like this. Okay, yeah, about 3/4 of the way through the piece, I looked outside, I said, uh-oh. We called the storm up and it was pouring by the time we got to the end of the song. So it actually held up with the job it's supposed to have. Okay, we go to some cameras. Okay. Let's have some fun. 1, 2, beginning, here we go. And And I'm pleased to say it's still bright and sunny outside. Okay, the next piece that we have for you is a jazz piece, okay, which holds a great deal of sentimental value to me. Okay, when I started teaching, this was probably back sometime mid-90s, okay, I was fortunate enough to spend some time with the 6th grade band over at Schuyler Colfax. Okay, and the piece we're going to play, Salty Sam, was one of the first pieces that I ever had the opportunity to conduct in a school setting, so I wanted to introduce the piece to them. All right, let's do a little Salty Sam. Ready? Short. Short. Ready? 1, 2. Nice and short at the beginning. Go.
This piece, this last piece that we're going to perform for you this morning, we've had a lot of fun with. It's entitled Photo Finish, which if you've ever been to seen a horse race or been to the races, you might agree with us because you're going to notice we're going to get faster and faster as the song gets to the end. But band, remember, who are we going to watch? Remember, don't take it from me. Thank you. Measure 5 also, second time. What happened? Of course. Yes. Excellent, Sebastian. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, Every performer you've heard this morning did that much work in just 3 short weeks. Yes. We've had discussions out. We want them to take everything they've learned back to their school and have a wonderful musical year. Band do not move, 4th grade do not move, or 5th grade.
And parents, please make sure every one of these children is involved in school band. That's going to be very important for them.
Now, to commemorate their excellent performance this morning, we have special certificates for them. Chris and Sydney, if you would please join us. Now, students, some of you, we went through this. When we call your name, you're going to come to Mr. Sullivan and myself. We will shake hands, and you shake hands with your counselors, and then go back to your seat. Did I do that right?
Okay, first up is Erin. Hey, nice job. Take your certificate. Grab them one.
Matthew B.
Okay, nice job. Mr. Jackson, where are you, pal? You're welcome.
Mr. Ben. L.
Nice job. Take your certificate out. What are you doing?
Olivia.
Nice job.
Emil.
Maddie.
Alice.
Nice job.
All right, now we're going to shift gears to the middle school and high school. Alec.
Okay, nicely done, my friend.
Yes.
All right, let's keep it straight into family. Mr. David, where are you, sir? It's okay, it's worth waiting for. Excellent job.
Mr. Max on the trombone back there.
next is Uriel. Okay, come get yours.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, here we go. Nice job, sir.
Another one of our trombone players, Mr. JB.
Right here in the front row, Maya.
Mr. Moses.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Mr. Nathan.
Nice job. And let's keep it in the family with Riley.
Christopher, back in our trumpet section.
Nice job. Sebastian. That's okay.
Get your steps in early this morning. He's got your certificate. He's got yours.
Okay, nice job. That's right.
Excellent job. Martin. Yeah. You're fine, sir. Be careful.
Yeah, it's a little tight for that.
It's a little maze up here. Yeah. Back on the drums, Mr. Ethan.
Okay. Ariel.
Keep it right in the family with Mr. Lincoln. You know, we were spoiled at camp this year. At one point, we had 7 trombones in the concert band. In any group we've done in private school, public school, or here, we've never had that many. So we were having some fun. Good job, buddy.
In our tenor saxophone section, Mr. Rami.
Good job.
Nicely done. Here's your order.
Mr. Eric on the trumpet.
Nice job. All right, back there in the bells is Mr. Minash.
In our trumpet section, Arnie.
Nicely done. Next, back in the tenor section, Jasmina.
You left out future composer.
Yes. Yeah, and Rocco also belongs to Jasmina. That's where he actually lives. Okay.
He wants his certificate. Keeping it in the family with Melanie. Michael.
Nicely done. Edward.
Keeping it in the family with Samian.
Nicely done. Okay, and if I've done this right, last but not least should be Madison. I didn't miss anything. Yes, I got it right.
Yay. High five. We did it.
Okay, that brings us to the end of the showcase that we have for you. We'd like to thank the Wayne Education Foundation with Mrs. Marin and Mrs. Rizzo for having us here. I'd also like to thank each and every one of you for realizing the importance of music in your children's lives and sending them to us. So please consider coming back next year. Mr. Sullivan and I, we already have things in our minds rolling ahead for next summer, okay? So enjoy the rest of your summer and we'll see you soon.